like I need.
Hey viewers, welcome to Big Style TV. I'm Chef Michael and I known as King Spikes. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make Jamaican rice and peas. Now I have my peas already cooked for an hour now, so my peas is actually finished cooked. So I'm gonna season my pot right now. Right here I have my pepper, pimento seed, my thyme and my scallion. I'm just gonna add that to it. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of butter. Then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of coconut milk. So I'm gonna give it a bit of stir. Wow, it smells so good. Now I'm gonna cover my pot. My pot is come to a boil, so I'm gonna add my rice. This is 4.5 cups of rice. So I'm just gonna shake that out. I'm just gonna give it a stir. Now it's time to check my rice and peas. You can see the plastic that I put over it. Now you gotta be careful when you're removing it. Yeah, there you go. My rice and peas is ready. Now all you can do is just remove all of this thyme, pepper,